This is the biggest of them all, and there's like second biggest. Ito. It tastes like cherry na ano, panis.
Your reaction. This is the strawberry that I want.
Hi guys, it's our day 1 here in Boracay again. Day 1, we are currently staying here, and by the way guys, we will be staying here for more than a week, so it's gonna be a long ride. I'll be posting every day, video every day. I will make sure, I will do my best. Ito yung road papunta sa in-stayhan namin. Tapos yan na yung main road. Yung main road nila dito is para lang siyang iskinita.
And our goal
Ma-beach
for
na
today
today, di ba?
is to find a strawberry at the beach.
Di Talipapa. The goal for today is strawberry. Like,
Papa J's restaurant.
we are currently exploring here. It's like market. I don't think they have strawberry here. These are the fresh seafoods here in the Talipapa, guys. Lahat ng ano dan, yung nasa aquarium, fresh na ano seafoods. Tapos dito na part is mga souvenirs. There's no strawberry or fresh strawberry there in Talipapa. So we are now going to the beach, or heading to the beach right now. Oh, this is the status here in Boracay, guys. Maybe they have strawberry.
Ay, wala.
Wala guys, wala. Jam lang lahat dito. Jam lang daw yung meron sila. So wala silang fruit na strawberry.
Wala.
Meron daw sila doon, pero frozen yung ano nila, strawberry. But I don't want it to be mixed as shake. Gusto ko like raw ko siya kainin. Order is here. Papunta na kami ngayon sa beach so that we can sit there and relax. Yes. Guys, we have found strawberry here in Boracay. Calma Fresh. Yes po. Thank you po. Thank you.
Your reaction.
This is the strawberry that I want. Finally, nakita ko na siya. The strawberry that I wanted. Ano na? Super dami niya, guys. It has a lot of kind of seeds. Mm.
Is it sweet?
No, it's not sweet, but mauna yung di pang itang okay.
Ikaw ano? Take another one.
This is super nice. This is the strawberry that I have been craving for, and finally here na siya. The presentation is 100/10. They have the concentrated strawberry, or like the overripe strawberry. This one is a little bit sweet. The flavor of the strawberry, the flavor of the smoothies as well. Overall, it's 100/10. It's super delicious. We are done. It's so windy, guys, and marami ng tao dito. This is how it looks like during the afternoon here in Boracay.
Let's sit down na. Hello guys. o'clock.
But it's still...
Yeah. 5:53 guys.
It's already 5:53 guys. Look at that. But the sun is still there. It's like 3. So we are just waiting for the sunset. We are now here in the mall guys, and we are going to buy fruits and vegetables para malutuon so that we can save, because we will be staying here for a very long time. Every time I buy egg, I used to do this because I have to check if there is like an air inside, because we encountered a lot of eggs na may air sa sulod. Tapos hindi siya namin makain kasi mabaho. And you thought the cravings is over. We bought this earlier sa Save More. This is the freshness that we can get from the store, and I actually bit one already.
Salt and strawberries.
The taste is strawberry.
Sure. Let me buy.
The aroma is there. The cravings is not over.
When was your first taste the strawberry in your whole lifetime?
That was the first time.
When?
And then today is the second time, I guess.
Really?
When I was 17 or 18,
And which memory is that?
si ate ang nagbabakal sa kuha sa Facebook Marketplace. 250 or 300 ang isa kani-ngani.
Mas mahal.
Oo, tapos gagmay kaayo.
How much is that today?
175.
175. Mas mahal.
This worth 175, and look guys, sobrang laki niya talaga.
I tried
This is the
to-
biggest of them all, and there's like second biggest. Ito. And look at my teeth. Oh my god. Look at that. This is the last one.
Oh my, strawberry fullness. Go.
And we also bought Super Fruits Wonder Dragon.
We will get your retainers next month.
This is not dragon fruit. It tastes like cherry na panis. These strawberries are amazing. I wonder how can we grow one. I don't wanna wonder anymore.
So,
Yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you bukas.